I don't know if I'm the only lover of vegetable stew and potato. If not, let's view. Hello, sweetie. Welcome back to and why I like eating potato, because I'm that kind of person that grew up eating yam. Like I eat yam so much back then in Nigeria. So eating the yam, when I come to abroad, I'm not seeing that yam to eat that much, because here in abroad, before you will see yam, oh, talk of to buy yam, my sister. On the fire, and so here is the hot water. It has turned to boil, so all I will do is to add the potato inside the hot water. After adding all of it, now I will season with salt to taste. So I'll be adding only salt on top of the potato. Then after that, I will cover for this to cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes of cooking the potato, this is how it looks. I just come to check on it, and this is the look. The potato has cooked. Now I just turn off the gas, so I will just take one of it and check if it's soft. You can see the potato is soft, so I will just take the potato out of the hot water. So here I have my tray. I will put all the potato inside this tray. The reason why I'm taking the potato out of the hot water is to enable the potato to stop cooking and not to get more soft, because if I leave it inside the hot water, it will get soft and it will not be good to eat. So that is why I just keep it inside a white wood tray so that breeze will enter inside the potato. Like that is it, my people. So I will just take all of it and keep it aside. Then I will prepare the stew. Now it's time for us to prepare the vegetable stew. So first thing to do is to add oil inside our pot. So here is the pot I will be using. So the oil has just hot. Now I will just turn my chopped onions. So the onions will be frying just for 2 seconds, then adding the tomato. First thing, I'll be adding my fresh tomato and onions and hot pepper blend together. So I will just add all of it and just give it 1 minute stir. After stirring, I will add in the tomato sauce. So I just pour in my tomato sauce and give it a stir. Still on this tomato sauce, guys, me using this tomato sauce, it has gone a long way for me. It has really given me a very good help. So I like this outcome of this tomato sauce and what it has been doing for me. So that is it. So now I will season this stew with 1 Maggi cube and salt to taste. I just add it inside, then I give it a good stir. If you haven't watched my video how I make my tomato sauce, what are you waiting for? You really have to watch that video and see how this tomato sauce is being made. After some minutes of frying the tomato, this is how it looks. So now I will be adding my smoked fish. So I'll be making use of smoked fish. I just add in the smoked fish. Now I will add in some stock water that I used to cook chicken. So here is the chicken. It's already fried. I will just add it inside the stew. Take a good look at that. All I will do is to give it a gentle stir and make sure that
to your greatness, famous for the way up, play the game, bruh. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, I'm always flirting with pain. She like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves in society, so I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't ever say never. And turn your mind into the truest to go-getters. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.